Hi, this is Ari from Actorio, and today we're going to take a look at the settings pane to see what kind of settings allow us to take full advantage of our Actorio account. I go to settings over here. I have the usual change password, the currency that I want the prices to be displayed at, if I am using the Amazon Professional Selling Plan, and the fulfillment type, if you're fulfilling by Amazon or if you are fulfilling it yourself. The multi-country inventory controls whether I store inventory in the different countries. So this means, for instance, that I am storing inventory in Italy. Now, obviously, if I'm pan-European, then this goes away because this means that I am automatically storing inventory in all of these countries. But if I turn pan-European off, then I can control if I'm storing inventory in some or all of the countries. VAT exemption, that means that I am exempt of VAT. And here are the MWS keys. These keys allow me to quickly refresh the prices so I can get up-to-date pricing on all of my products. I can click verify. I see that it is verified and save.